In Nicaragua's Isla de Ometepe, twin volcanoes rise from Lake Nicaragua, cradling ancient petroglyphs and whispering legends. A sunrise bike ride along the island's palm-fringed paths reveals coffee farms, chill swims, and perfect views of Concepcion. Mysterious petroglyphs carved into volcanic rock hint at ancient inhabitants who shaped island life long before today. Kayaking across the glassy lake offers bright skies, calm currents, and a chance to spot endemic birds. This island's easy pace invites curious travelers to taste local sopa de queso and plan their next dream adventure.